But guess I'd forgotten I founded this company 50 years ago.
I think we all have.
A video and Meatball
So
snoring.
busy worrying about our future.
His ears over his eyeball.
O'Reilly came along.
Yes, back
Meatball.
until Riley came along.
Oh, don't sound so enthusiastic. I'm leaving soon enough. It's in the bag.
This is for you.
Really?
For your work.
Bless your heart.
You guys, this is too much.